mix the two. This one is purely for the Eucharistic. Asante sana, tupange laini hiyo.
I want to assure Kenyans that our president is in total control, that our president is holding the country together. That's why we have a broad-based government in place, and we ask everybody of goodwill to pray for our country, to support our president, to support our country, and maintain and sustain peace, and development will follow in our country.
You cannot deputize somebody by force. You cannot stay in the office of the deputy president if you cannot deputize the president. And I have no regret as Dr. Lilian Achieng Gogo for having voted yes. I know it is a matter in court, but we can never divide Kenya. Kenya is one. And everybody has the freedom of residing, working, eating, and sleeping anywhere they want. And we must have respect for the office. Even if there are differences between any two leaders, one must be above the other. And when you are serving under the office of somebody, respect that somebody.
That this gentleman must leave office. We've impeached him. We initiated it, we impeached him. And Speaker, I know you tried to pull us back and to think through it deeply. I want to assure you, we thought through it deeply. So let the court move as fast as possible. He has been granted enough time to be before the courts of law. Our decision as the representatives of the Kenyan people is final. Gachagua has been impeached, and anything that requires parliament to be done towards him cannot be done.
We made a decision that someone must go, and that person has to go. So we are telling the courts, tunaambia koti, tafadhali muharakishe huyo jamaa aende nyumbani, tupatie Dr. Kindiki na nchi iendelee kwenda mbele. Asanteni sana.